Hey y'all, today we are up early in the morning and we are going to get a lot of seedlings into the ground. As always, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know my latest videos are up. And make sure you drop me a comment below. Are you still planting seedlings? I am. I still am. I'm planting zinnias and a wide variety of things. I am already planning for the fall as well, but I am still trying to get things into the ground right now. Okay, so these are the zinnia seedlings that I started inside, and they are ready to go. They have been acclimated outside for a couple of weeks now. So I'm going to be getting them into several places. I am going to be pinching them back to 2 sets of leaves, probably around here. That is going to make the seedling stronger, maybe 3 sets of leaves. That's going to make the seedling stronger and allow it to start branching out and become kind of maybe a heavier or, a stronger base, which will be really good. So I've got a wide variety of zinnias. We're also going to do some Tong big leaf chrysanthemums, get those into the ground. The zinnias we've got are a giant double canary bird, zinnia envy, giant double violet queen, giant double enchantress, cherry queen, Oklahoma mix, and queen lime blush. So we're going to get those into the ground today, and then we're also going to be getting this grass. We're going to be getting feather top grass into the ground as well. I have those seedlings ready to go too. So I'm going to be adding plant tone to each of the holes as I plant them, and I am going to be working in a number of areas, so I'll show you what areas I'm going to work on before I plant each set. Okay, the first area we're going to work in is this Dahlia bed, where I didn't actually have any success with dahlias this year, so I'm just going to go ahead and fill this in with probably 3 or 4 varieties of the zinnias. I'm not going to fill in the whole space with one type of zinnia. I want to kind of mix them up a little bit. I think that would be really nice. So let's go ahead and get that started. we've got that area all filled up. I ended up putting in some of the big leaf hoe chrysanthemums up front here, and then filling in zinnias throughout the existing dahlias. I did notice a lot of dahlias are starting to start new green growth at the base of them, so I'm actually considering just cutting all my dahlias back and letting them start fresh. I don't know, we'll see. Okay, so the next area where we're going to be putting zinnias, hello Buffy girl, is we're going to be dotting them through this area. I cleaned this area out, had some scabiosa. You can see where I cut back the scabiosa plants big time. And it's got some zinnias worked into here. It's got some Maximilian sunflowers. This is an alder bloom. Those have been blooming. I actually need to restake that guy, so maybe I'll do that real quick too. And so I'm going to be adding the zinnias into this space throughout. So let's get that knocked out. So sorry the sun's in a weird place, but so I've gone through and I put a ton of zinnia seedlings in, and I line them each up with an existing drip emitter, so that even during this hot sun, these will be getting water every day. I don't have the stress about coming out to water these seedlings. If I fill this in more solid, there would definitely be areas that didn't get as much water as others, which would be a problem. So especially with no rain in sight. And then I also put a few more Queen Lime blush zinnias over here. Okay, so for my final project for today, I'm going to be working over in this area and I'm going to be planting the feather top grass. So let's get that knocked out. Okay, so we've got those filled in as well. It feels really nice to actually put some stuff that's growing. If you remember, I planted the marigolds over here the other day. So it feels really, really good to maybe be able to finally have some color in that bed. Got the feather top grass over there, a few more zinnias over there, and a lot more zinnias over here. Okay, so it's 9:30, dripping with sweat. Ugh. We did, 2 days ago, we did finally dip below the triple digit mark. We only got up to 98 that day. And the next day we got right back up into 100. So yeah, they are saying maybe rain on Wednesday, but I don't even know if it's going to be like a measurable amount. So we'll see. But anyway, that's why I planted my zinnia seedlings right beside drip line emitters so that I do know they are going to get water on a daily basis. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. As always, she's a mad gardener or decorator or anything else that she wants to be. Thanks, y'all.